Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. We're in Sydney. How are you today? And in this video, we'd like to share the work that we finished in the Hino truck 728 2021 model. This one comes with the factory screen and factory reverse camera, which is also called infrared reverse camera. And we already upgraded into the new 9-inch system, which actually is on hybrid one version, slightly under the advanced, but better than the regular one. It has very fast system of the wireless Carplay and Adelaide Auto as well. And something very good and normal we do for Hino truck is here. You see two USB, looks like factory over here. And something that I would like to mention is very special in this system that we do install today. That actually is about this one. Okay. You want to feel curious? Okay, guess what this one is? On, off. So what is that? Now this system we bring in definitely is the one that called plug and play 100% into the truck, and it connect everything plug in straight into the truck and retain all the features, including reverse camera, sound system, and power, and so on. However, there's one cool thing about this I need to explain right now. So if you reverse the truck in the normal reverse mode as it is now, it will show up the reverse camera over here. Okay, and you can see that is the reverse camera, works straight away into the new system we have. But one of the main point we want to explain is that this one, now if you are in the drive mode, okay, just say you are driving the truck and you want to see something behind the truck. Okay, when you are driving, you want to know who's tailgating your truck, or who is behind, or whatever is behind, or even before you start the truck, you don't want to make it beep, 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 you know, the buzzing noise at the back of the truck, and you want to silently watch what is behind the truck. Now do this, and that is the factory reverse camera. Turn on silently with the switch over here, one finger switch, and the factory camera is on. No buzzer on at the back end, no reverse light on at the back end, just the reverse camera turn on. Is that good? I think so. And it come into the reverse camera straight away, and it come back to the Apple CarPlay, and it come back to the normal factory reverse camera mode. And that is the special request from our customer to get this function done, and we say yes, we will make it for you. And yeah, it took a bit longer time to make it nicely, and as you can see that it fit perfectly over here and looks very matching into the dash. And that's what we can supply now on the Hino kit as one option, if in case you want to retain the factory reverse camera like what we have, and also turn on the reverse camera silently on demand, on the go. Then just tell us, we will do it for you on demand, and we can play. We can provide a plug and play system. So all good, all done, is waiting to be collected soon by the owner. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.